welcome. My name is Afra Asif and I have been assigned to make a short video on a writer about his backgrounds and his work in literature. So I have been assigned to make a video on Baba Muhammad Yahya. Basically, he was a very prominent Nigerian writer known for his contributions to literature. He was a very well-known author who wrote in both English and Hausa languages. His work often focused on themes such as culture, tradition and social issues in Nigeria. Yahya's writing style is characterized by rich storytelling, vivid descriptions, and deep exploration of Nigerian identity. Furthermore, his works have been influential in Nigerian literature and have resonated with readers both in Nigeria and we will talk about Baba Yaya's most famous works, which includes Insonna, Gandoki, Majalisa, and Zenking Ruwaya. I know these are some very different and difficult terms. Okay. Furthermore, these works are highly regarded for their engaging narratives, cultural insights and thought-provoking themes that reflect Nigerian society and tradition. Okay, so further, Yahya's writing have left a lasting impact on the literacy landscape in Nigerian and now we will talk about some of the Nigerian writers who have been influenced by Baba Muhammad Yahya's work, which includes Abubakar Gimba, Balaraba Ramat, Yakubu, and Ibrahim Malum Fashi. These writers have drawn inspiration from Yahya's storytelling techniques, thematical explorations, and cultural insights in their own words. Yahya's impact on Nigerian literature can be seen in the works of these writers who have continued to enrich the literacy landscape with their unique perspectives and narratives. Furthermore, we will talk about the Muhammad Yahya's writing. Okay, so Muhammad Yahya's writing had a profound impact on Nigerian literature. His works not only captured the essence of Nigerian culture and tradition but also shed light on important societal issues. Yahya's unique storytelling style and deep exploration of Nigerian identity inspired and influenced many writers in Nigeria. His contributions helped shape the literacy scene in Nigeria by providing a platform for authentic Nigerian voices and narratives. Yahya's legacy continues to resonate in Nigerian literature, serving as a source of inspiration for future generations of writers. Thank you so much.